Clowns have always aimed to make us laugh, with their wild hair, red noses, and oversized clothes. They trip, squirt water, and pull endless handkerchiefs, symbols of pure fun. But beneath the painted smile, there's always another side. In the clown's world, delight and oddity dance together. Not everyone finds clowns cute. Many find them terrifying. This fear, called coulrophobia, is surprisingly common. Why? The makeup hides the real face, masking true emotions behind a permanent painted grin. That fixed smile can feel unnatural, even sinister. Horror stories twist the clown's image, turning laughter into dread. The same big shoes that once tripped for laughs now echo ominously in the dark. The flower that squirted water? Now it's unsettling. In claymation, the creepy clown's colors are faded, the smile too wide, the eyes dark and empty. Movements become jerky and puppet-like, making the familiar suddenly strange. Clowns exist in a space between funny and frightening. A small change, a sharper smile, a darker eye, can flip cute to creepy. That's why clowns fascinate us. They balance joy and unease, innocence and menace. The line between laughter and fear is thinner than you think. And that's what makes the clown so unforgettable. Let's see how this duality comes to life. Makeup is a clown's magic, transforming a blank face into a character. Bright colors and round shapes signal a friendly clown. Think sunny yellows, pinks, and big red noses. But swap in dark colors and sharp lines, and the mood shifts to menacing. Angry V-shaped brows, pointed smiles. Suddenly, the clown feels dangerous. In our claymation world, makeup isn't paint. It's strips and balls of colored clay, pressed and sculpted onto the face. Each rosy cheek is a flattened pink disc. Each eyebrow, a bent black snake of clay. The process is tactile, imperfect, and real. You can see the layers, the textures the artist's touch. A sharp black line for a creepy smile feels almost like a scar. A bright red nose pops into place with a satisfying press. Makeup here is sculpture, building a personality one piece at a time. The result? A face that's both inviting and a little unsettling. The magic is in the details. Let's create our own cute but creepy clown face. Start with a smooth white base, like a blank piece of clay. This erases your features, making you a canvas for transformation. For the eyes, use a bright color, sky blue or yellow, painted in big round circles around each eye. Now add a twist, draw 2 or 3 thin black lines down from each eye, like cartoon tears or cracks. In claymation, these would be delicate strips of black clay, adding a hint of sadness. Finish the eyes with a thin black line on the upper lid to make them pop, but leave the bottom bare for a wide, doll-like look. The result? Eyes that are cheerful, yet mysterious. The mix of bright color and dark lines creates instant contrast. You're already halfway to a face that's both cute and a little bit strange. Let's keep building. The clown's smile is everything, joyful or chilling, depending on the details. Paint your lips cherry red, then extend the color outwards, curving up toward your cheeks. This oversized, round smile is cute until it stretches too far. Outline the smile with black eyeliner for a sharp, defined edge. At each corner, add a tiny pointed tip, just enough to make the grin unsettling. Draw a few thin vertical lines across the lips, like cracks or doll seams. In claymation, it's as if the artist smeared the red clay too wide, leaving a permanent, eerie grin. The smile is now both bright and broken, cheerful but with a hint of menace. This is the heart of the cute, creepy clown. A grin that can't be erased. One detail changes everything. The face is almost complete. Time for the finishing touches. Paint perfect, solid circles of pink or red on your cheeks, like stickers or discs of clay. Add small black triangles above one eyebrow and on the chin, their sharp points contrasting with the round shapes. For the nose, use a classic red foam ball or paint a solid red circle. No blending, just a bold, shiny spot. These details add to the doll-like artificial look. Step back. You have bright, happy colors and round shapes, but also unsettling lines and sharp angles. The smile is too wide, the eyes too open, the triangles oddly placed. It's a face that belongs in a quirky, slightly dark claymation film. Friendly and frightening, all at once. The magic is in the mix. You've created a character that's both inviting and mysterious. This is the essence of the cute and creepy clown. Let's embrace it. We've explored the clown's world, joyful yet tinged with fear. The line between cute and creepy is thin, shaped by color, shape, and expression. A wide smile or a single dark line can transform a face. In claymation, every detail is a choice, every imperfection part of the story. Mixing cute and creepy is about creativity, seeing the familiar in a new, surprising way. Art, like clowns, can be happy and sad, funny and scary, all at once. Don't be afraid to experiment. Draw a happy smile with sad eyes. Use bright colors with dark shapes. The most memorable creations are those that dare to be a little bit of everything. So go ahead. Make something wonderfully strange. The world needs more playful oddities.